really commendable that these needs.
अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस है ही जो मुझे सुनने को मिला, आज तो सामने आएगी। मुझे इस बात की खुशी हुई कि राइफल एसोसिएशन ने बहुत सोच समझ के इस तरफ कदम बढ़ाया है।
It somehow happened that I had a tour towards Samba, and on my way back I am with all of you, and I am extremely happy to be in your company. That is one thing. Shooting championship, which has culminated today, I was told they have been here from Kashmir side also, and they have actually participated in it. It's increasing. I tell you that I have no reason not to believe in the country. I don't have details about how this is actually functioning and what health and sports I can extend. Please with you, not by chance, but my own desire and will and wish, because I wanted to be here. I know everybody. I can see.
Silver General Joravar Singh Kalap